This is a magnet. We will measure the magnetic field of the wire using the magnet. So let's set the welding machine to 80 amps. We will check the strength of the magnetic field at 80 amps. The reason why a magnet is attracted to a current carrying conductor is because of the magnetic field. Using the right hand rule, we can determine the direction of the magnetic field around the wire. If we want to measure the strength of the magnetic field at a distance of 1 meter, we will use Ampere's law. Ampere's law states that the magnetic field created by an electric current is proportional to the size of the electric current with a constant of proportionality equal to the permeability of free space. We will check the strength of the magnetic field. Here's the formula. B is the magnetic field strength in Tesla. The symbol μ0 is the permeability of free space. I is the current. R is the distance from the wire in meters. Given current or I equals 8 amperes. Distance equals 1 meter. And then the value of permeability of free space. First, substitute the known values into the formula. E equals 4 pi times 10 to the power of negative 7 Tesla meter per ampere times 80 amperes divided by 2 pi times 1 meter. Then, simplify the terms. Next, multiply the constants. B equals 3.2 times 10 to the power of negative 5 divided by 2. Next, simplify the expression. B equals 1.6 times 10 to the power of negative 5 Tesla. The final answer for the magnetic field strength is 16 microteslas.